Welcome to day 2 of our Beacons Creator Bootcamp. Yesterday, we talked about setting up our Beacons pages. But today, we're turning your creativity into cash flow by building out your store on Beacons. Whether you're creating fresh new products or bringing over your best sellers from other platforms, Beacons makes it simple to get everything in one place. Digital downloads, ebooks, templates, you name it. If your audience will love it, your wallet will thank you. So, if you ever wondered, how do I turn my comments into a storefront? This is your moment. Oh, and don't forget, today's Easter egg is hiding somewhere in this video. Find it, be one of the first 5 to redeem it, and snag yourself a free month of Creator Pro. So, as mentioned, we're gonna go over 2 things: creating digital products and importing them from other platforms. So, let's go ahead and start by showing you how to create your first digital product. Head into Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Products. You have many options to choose from, but today, let's go with Digital Product, which allows you to sell files and links. Now, you are in the Product Builder. If you look in the upper left-hand corner, you can edit the design of your product page with different layouts, colors, and fonts. Once you're satisfied with the look of your page, you can click anywhere on the builder itself to adjust and change how the product page will look, or use a side drawer to change every individual thing. Let's start at the top by changing the product title. Adjust the price to what you think your digital product is worth, or let your customers pay what they want. Add a discounted price to draw in potential buyers, or make the product free and use it as a lead magnet. Also, be sure to change the currency type to your country. We also have just released the ability to add native payment plans on top of our Klarna, Affirm, Afterpay, and PayPal options, so your customers have more ways to buy your product. But we're gonna go over that in another video. Next down the list is adding a description. Now, if you already have what you want to say in mind, that's great. You're already a step ahead. However, if you have a hard time wording out everything, use our AI to generate one for you by simply adding some key details. Next up, we have media. Add eye-catching images or videos that explain and show what the product is about. Adding visuals is key to driving sales, so don't skip this step. And after that, we have the most important section, adding your product files or links. This will be the actual product your customers will receive after purchasing your product. It can be anything from a JPEG, to a Word doc, to a PDF, to a Notion page. Next, we have the optional sections, but I'll give you a brief overview of each one. Add order bumps to promote your other products at a discounted rate if bought together. Limit product sales to have a limited edition item to draw urgency. Create affiliate links for your products so your affiliate sellers can get a commission rate when they make a sale. Adjust your SEO settings if you have Beacons Pro. Display your overall rating so others can see what others think of your product. Let your followers ask you a question to further convince them to buy. And lastly, display your reviews so you can have social proof of real people writing great reviews of your product. Later in the bootcamp, we're going to talk about all of these, so watch out for those. Great, we have the hardest and most important part done. Next, let's customize the checkout screen. Once again, you can adjust the price if you need to make any changes, and add different fields and even make a custom one. Next tab over, we can adjust the success screen. Leave this as is or make it personal. Completely up to you. And lastly, we have the email receipt. This will be the email your buyers will get that will contain the product file or a link they purchased from you, so make it personal, catchy, or engaging. Adjust the subject line and the content of the email, or you can just leave it blank. And on the left side, you can add an automation that will ask to leave a review. If toggled on, you can adjust the timing of the email of when it will be sent, as well as the subject line and content. Once you're satisfied with absolutely everything, hit next and your product has been created. Now, if you're already in the digital product selling space but looking to switch over to Beacons but don't want to deal with the hassle of switching everything over, well, you can use our digital product importer tool. If you're switching from any of these platforms, by simply dropping a link, we will convert over the title, price, description, and any photos or videos showcasing your product. This makes it easy to set up and start selling. The only thing you have to provide is a product file or link. After that, you're ready to start selling. It's easy, it's breezy, it's Beacons. Should I add that in? I don't know. And there you have it. Your store is ready to roll. Whether you've just created your first product or imported your top sellers from another platform, you're officially one step closer to turning your Beacons page into a revenue machine. Remember, this is just the beginning. Tomorrow, we'll show you how to drive more traffic to your link in bio and store. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until then, share your shiny new Beacon store with us in the comments, tag us on our socials, and let's celebrate those first sales together. Keep creating, keep selling, and I'll see you in the next one.